Hello guys, I just arrived at 대신Mc. It's written in Korean, so I'll translate it for you. This company is famous for some products and I'm really curious to see what kind of products. So you want to find out with me together? Then let's go.
DesinMc is a company built on technology, precision, and a deep understanding of industrial environments. For decades, we have listened to the challenges faced on-site and developed solutions that directly improve cleanliness, efficiency, and overall workplace safety.
Such a big factory. Oh, what's going on here? Whoa! Wow! What is this? A mat? A trap? A magic carpet?
Dust on every step you take.
What? Oh, I think it's like getting rid of the dust. Wow! It's sucking up the dust? That's amazing! Oh, I think this is like cleaning up the dust right away from my feet.
Industrial
Whoa,
sites, in particular, require more reliable equipment due to the high levels of contamination and the frequent visits. SoulCheck is designed to thoroughly remove even invisible dust by powerfully suctioning every crevice in the sole of a shoe.
Oh wow! 안녕하세요.
안녕하세요.
Whoa, what are all these flat things on the floor? It feels like a matte vacuum cleaner.
Exactly. It's called as a soul check.
Soul check.
So which means like it's literally soul check.
Oh, so it's checking my soles.
Yes, it's just a walk by over the mat, and it's a vacuum suction all the dust and micro dust and the viruses.
Oh, wow.
All the dust into the dust collector.
Ah, so it's like the vacuum cleaner boxes here, and this is the
modular mat.
pen. Oh wow, it's so cool. And all these tiny buttons.
Yeah, this is a suction pin. So when you push by your shoe bottom, then it's only the open. This only the button. This opened up and suction. It's made by the modular cell, so it's like 300 by 300.
Oh.
So it's like expandable as much as you want.
Oh, that's cool. So like you can just create as big as you want.
Exactly.
Oh, so even this whole surface is possible?
Oh yeah, possible.
That's so cool.
Yeah, like a big area, like a small area. It can be fit.
I guess it's energy saving as well because it seems like it's turned off, but then when you press one button, it's going to be turned on, right?
Exactly.
Oh.
Yeah, it's only the one pin, the push the button by our shoe bottom. It's open.
Oh, that's so smart.
Yeah. So this motor is only 1350 kilowatts.
Oh wow. So
Yeah.
it's very energy saving then.
Exactly. So like imagine like 1,000 people coming in and out a day. So like in Korean won is lesser electricity price. It's like 5,000 won a month, which is very, very low.
SoulCheck's effectiveness is immediately apparent after installation. It maintains consistent performance even at entrances and exits with hundreds of daily visitors. And maintenance is simple.
Is this connected with a spring?
Yeah, it's a spring. So yeah, this modular cell is only developed by our DesinMc Corporation. There's no same technology, so it's actually our technology.
It's unique for this company.
Very unique.
DesinMc.
Yeah. So what is advantages having this one? That even as you can say like a big installation, like one pin is broken, then we can take it off. Only this broken pin in this module, and then open it up, and only the broken pin you can exchange by yourself and put it back.
For other companies, it's different. You need to change the whole thing.
Exactly. Like if the one pin is broken, then the air is leaking, then suction power is getting less and less, right? So if you want to exchange this one, you have to exchange open it up all the mat, the upper side.
Oh wow.
But this one only this modular cell.
Oh, that's so cool. It's also very environment friendly then.
Exactly. Very eco-friendly product.
That's so cool.
Anyone can easily remove and assemble the module cells without requiring special after-sales service. It can be cleaned with water and can be freely expanded for installation.
Where can I find these suction mats? Can I find them in Korea?
Yeah, anywhere. Like we've been installing the SoulCheck in all the industry area, factories, automobile factory, pharmaceutical, electronics, like a food industry. Yeah, many area. But not only this, also like public area, like subway,
I feel like I have seen this in Achasan station.
Yeah, it's the line 5 subway.
Oh, so it's from this company.
Yeah, so this is very nice. It's very good, eco-friendly, and also very good for our health because it's also get rid of the viruses as well.
Oh wow, that's so good.
Yes.
Oh, I need this at my home.
Yeah, your home and everywhere, door to door, museum, wherever people come in and out, you need this. So check. Like exhibition center in Korea, one of the biggest exhibition center, Kintex and Ilsan, they're having all the main gates with our soul check.
Really?
Yes, and peoples all around the world, they're very good, giving us good feedback.
Oh, really?
So they're very happy. They're expanding more and more.
It's a good promotion, like promoting there as well, because there's a lot of people from all over the world coming, and when they step on that, they're like, oh, we need this in our country.
Yes,
That's
right.
smart.
Yes.
This is a renowned, large-scale Korean biopharmaceutical company that manufactures various pharmaceuticals and in vitro diagnostic kits. Each production facility operates a clean room with air shower-type sole checks installed at the entrance, which simultaneously suck up dust from the floor and the air shower.
As you can see, we operate a clean room, so we installed Sole Check to remove dust and foreign substances entering the clean room. Dust and foreign substances can also be found inside the air shower, but Sole Check sucks them up and cleans them, eliminating the need for separate cleaning of the air shower interior. It also seems to prevent unnoticed dust and foreign substances from entering the clean room.
Using Sole Check instead of the sticky mats commonly used on air shower floors, or using it together, provides perfect dust protection.
So is it gonna really suck all the dust from my shoes? Could you show us how it works?
Okay, so I will show you first. As you see, there's at the dust tray, there's nothing, right? So to show you, I will just, there's some little bit of the dust and a little bit of the soil that I will put a little bit here.
But it's a lot. There's gonna be supposed to dust on my shoe, right?
Yeah, so let's imagine this is like
Oh wow! Oh! It goes away like right away. Looks good.
The cyclone function collects only large particles over 10 micrometer in the dust tray, while the 3-stage filtration system completely blocks fine dust down to 0.3 micrometer. With non-woven and HEPA filters, it captures up to 99.37% of fine dust, external pollutants, and viruses.
Hey guys, I'm here at Kintex, and guess what? I found the Sole Check here as well. It's so cool to see it actually in like a public place like Kintex. Wow, you can hear the sound already, look. Here it is. Isn't this amazing? Wow, I think it's such a cool thing that it is like really installed in a place like Kintex. As you can see, you don't even see this small vacuum cleaner on the side that we saw actually in the factory. It's just installed really neatly inside the floor. You wouldn't even know. You can literally see it in the floor. It's not even higher like what we saw in the factory. And in the factory we also saw like the vacuum cleaner, the machine on the side, but it's not even here. Look, everybody is just passing it. I think this is really cool. I want to see this in the Netherlands and everywhere in the world. And then I can remember I was in this factory. I checked it out in Kintex and it works totally fine.